Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to create a sketch in Dorico 4. Before that, don't forget to press the subscribe button to know more information about Dorico and other tutorials. Don't forget to click the share and like button to support this channel. First, click the application. After entering the application, click Create New. Click Solo, Lead Sheet. Write your project title, composer, set your page size, and the orientation, portrait or landscape. Set music and text font. Set the time signature and key signature. After that, click Create Project. Write the notation. Done. That's all for today, and thank you for listening. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.